welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Happy New Year to all of you out there. What did y'all do for New Year's? Leave me a comment below. I hope y'all all had a great New Year. I hope y'all partied, prayed, whatever it is that makes you happy. If you haven't already, check out my last vlog to see how I brought in my New Year's here in New York with two of my best friends. But yeah, y'all like the new lighting? It was a Christmas gift. I want to shout out to my aunt and my cousin. They got me my new lighting set up, so I'm so thankful. I did do this makeup look for you all today. Smoky gold halo eye, but I'm actually really feeling this look. Like, sometimes I sit down and I don't know what I'm doing, and as I'm doing, I'm like, wow, this is ugly. Like, maybe I should wipe it off. And I was in the middle of doing my makeup, and I thought, I'm about to wipe this off. But it actually came out pretty cute, all right? And since it still is cold outside, it's snowing in New York, I felt like these dark colors was still suitable because it's the dead of winter. It's like Antarctica outside. Our eyebrows already done and our eyelid already primed, and I'm gonna go into my gift that I got for Christmas. Thanks, Mom. And I'm gonna go into the color, what is it? This one right here. So it's called Pukey. And we're gonna use that as a crease color. Well, transition color. Brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Chip. Is it Chip? It's this one here.
DJ Vibe, run it, bruh.
Zoomed you in a little bit, and so we're gonna continue going in with Soda Pop, which is this one right here. I'm gonna place that on the outer and inner crease. Inner third, like so. And then, like I said, just go back in with your blending brush. Blend it out. This brush. I'm gonna take this black in the palette, and this is called Abyss.
DJ Vibe, run it, bruh.
So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Tan, and I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer. I'm not cutting the crease. I'm just going to put it in the middle of the lid.
Studio plug.
Next, I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush, spritz it with some Fix Plus, and I'm gonna take this color Neeks. So it's this bronze color right there. How pretty is that? See that one?
DJ Vibe, run it, bruh.
Right here, and I'm gonna put it on my finger and tap it on top of that bronze color. Right, so we're not done the eyes yet, but we're just gonna finish the skin and then come back to the eyes. So for primer, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup Blur Stick.
DJ Vibe, run it, bruh.
Foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match in the color N8 Cappuccino. MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45.
DJ Vibe, run it, bruh. Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. To highlight, I'm going to just set my whole face with some Fix Plus. I'm just going to use the MAC Mariah Carey My Mimi highlighter, which is like a gold highlight like this.
For the inner corner highlight, I'm just going to use Becca Champagne Pop. Mine is completely shattered, so I can't show it to you, but that's what we're going to use. So forgive me if that was out of focus the whole time. I didn't even tell you what lashes I have on. These are the ones that I always wear. These are my Allure Cosmetics Definition number 126. But like I was saying, since the eyes are so dramatic and dark, I just wanted to go for like a muted out brown lip. I decided to go with Stone by MAC. So we're gonna see how that looks, and if I don't like it, then we'll change it. You know, I like nude.